In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix the Facebook Messenger login error. If you're having issues logging into your Facebook account, in this situation, the first thing that you can do is try to clear the cache or the app cache of the Messenger app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app and head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called storage. Once you're inside of storage, just tap on the clear data option. Once you complete this step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is look for new updates available. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Messenger, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Now, the other thing that you'll also need to ensure is that you are also logged into the Facebook app. In some cases, if you are not yet logged into your Facebook account, you may not be able to log into Messenger. But this is not what most people face. It is only a rare case. So what you can do in this situation, if none of these solutions work out, is try to uninstall the app of Messenger from your phone and then again re-download it. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook Messenger login error issue. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.